Thank you.
Hi, good morning,
Ivy!
What did Santa bring? Merry Christmas.
Did Santa come last night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why don't you go see what Santa brought? What do you see?
Oh, Santa brought a speckled dog. He's so cute. Oh, he's a she.
With my foot in the picture, I'm sure.
Do you want to see what Santa brought? I'll show you. Let's see. Oh, where do you want to start, Ivy?
I want this one.
Okay, you can have that one. Okay, want to unwrap it?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
She's all diplomatic about it. It stopped her cold in her tracks.
Here's Graham. What is that, Ivy?
A book.
Oh.
Hi.
Oh, boy.
What book is that?
Five little ladybugs. Do you want to pick another present?
Ivy, look at this thing.
Do you want to check him out? Here.
Oh, boy, what is that?
You want to ride on it?
No.
You want to open another present? Okay, let's choose that one for you. Let's see. Oh, no, not this one. Here, let's do this one.
Okay.
Daddy, turn the lights up so I can see her.
I'll do that.
Okay. Well, you're taking pictures.
Oh, look at that. Cameraman.